If inflation is eating away at your savings account, then you may want to consider these 5 assets that are safer and will earn you more than putting money in the banks. Welcome to Wealth Wizards, where we provide the mysteries of the financial world. Banks have several dirty little secrets, and one of them is that they want you to think that your money grows simply by sitting in an account. But guess what? We're ready to unveil the truth of what goes on behind the scenes. Before we get started, make sure to join us in this journey by hitting subscribe and the like button to be a part of the Wealth Wizard community. But for now, here are 5 assets you probably didn't know about that will surely keep your money secure. Number 1. Value stocks and mutual funds. Okay everyone, it's time to start our financial journey with value stocks and mutual funds. Everybody knows that tucking their cash under the bed won't make it grow. In this situation, mutual funds and value stocks can be a lifesaver. Alright, we get it now. You want your money to flourish like a spring garden. While it's true that treasury investments can yield respectable profits, they're also the investment equivalent of a sloth. Listen up if you're looking for a way to boost your returns without exposing yourself to undue risk. Like a busy marketplace, the stock market offers a wide variety of products, not all of which are sold at every stall. Growth stocks are portfolio-altering gamblers that deal in cutting-edge technology. But there is also a hidden gem in the stock market: value stocks, which are like a loyal companion who has your back no matter what. Consider Newcore as an example. Their focus is on metals used in industry, and we can assure you that metals won't be out of style anytime soon. That's like discovering a financial anchor, meaning less risk and more stability. Value stocks are the market's equivalent to dependable workhorses. Not only do they maintain their value, but they also pay out dividends like candy. Now, let's take a deeper dive into this. Understanding the underlying structure of any value stock can feel like translating hieroglyphics. We get that. Here enter mutual funds, such as Vanguard's Admiral shares in its high dividend yield index fund. These funds are like the best friends you have in the investing world. They have your back and a long track record of success. Consistent payouts with a touch of risk management? We're in! Number 2. Land and real estate. Now, let's discuss the investment gold standard: property and real estate. Land gets the nod from accountants, and for good reasons. It's the superpower of assets, completely safe from the effects of depreciation. Land is similar to the cornerstone of the building, if you will. It's essential for everything from quiet laboratories to bustling assembly lines. Furthermore, did you know that with more people always being born into the world, the land demand train will never stop rolling? The homes, offices, and shopping centers that are constructed on top of this solid groundwork are like the main attractions of any theme park. Land and real estate are uncompromising in the face of inflation. Need proof? Even with the rough ride of the 2008 housing bubble, property values eventually climbed from a pebble to a mountain over the years. We'll give you the facts now. You may believe that only the wealthy and famous can make money in real estate, but that belief needs to be dispelled. The Grand Canyon is not necessarily for your pockets. Have you ever heard of a real estate investment trust? That is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. They are the real estate equivalent of do-it-yourself mutual funds. Consider Ventas Inc, VTR. Owning this stock is like having a front-of-the-line pass to the world of senior housing, medical research facilities, and hospitals. And here's a twist: you don't have to go into debt to test the waters of investment property ownership. Mortgage payments being made from rent received? Now that's a sweet deal. As for now, stay tuned because this journey has just begun. We're just getting started, uncovering the secrets of financial growth and resilience. And hey, if you're vibing with what we're sharing, give that like button a tap and join our Wealth Wizards community by subscribing. You won't want to miss out on the financial magic we're about to unveil. Ready for more? let's keep this adventure rolling. Number 3. Precious metals, gold, silver, and platinum. Now, let's get down to the crown jewel of the financial world and discuss precious metals. Obviously, money is supposed to be valuable, right? Here's the catch though. Governments can't seem to stop printing green paper dollars and flooding the market with them. Furthermore, did you know that confetti could one day replace your hard-earned money? Gold, silver, and platinum, the superheroes of value, come into play here. These bad boys are your portfolio's white stallion, coming to the rescue whenever inflation raises its ugly head. The wealthy have known this secret for centuries, investing in precious metals. Consider that prior to the 1950s, $400 was a lot of money for an ounce of gold. In 2023, it will be showing off at almost $2,000. Prime XBT's crystal ball projects the price per ounce will hit $10,000 by 2032. Thus, while paper currency is stuck in a holding pattern, these metals are reaching new heights. Now, for the interesting part, these valuables are not locked away in a pirate's chest. Gold exchange traded funds are the way to go. All the world's precious metals are at your fingertips through these little newborns. You don't have to hide a brick of gold beneath your bed for them to mirror gold's impressive price. Number 4. Industrial commodities. Let's shift gears now and explore our next asset, industrial commodities. These are more than simply trinkets. They are the gears that keep our planet turning. Consider this, silver is used for more than just making fine jewelry. Instead, it is the unsung hero of many modern conveniences, from smartphones to surgical equipment to nuclear power plants. This is akin to having a superhero who hides their true identity. Keep your caps on, because we have more to tell you. Do you know what cobalt is? This incredible invention has shot to fame because of its role in producing batteries for electric vehicles. Furthermore, did you know that its price has gone through a wild roller coaster in the past decade? From the low 20s to the high 40s. Imagine getting a huge return on your investment. The great element is that you don't have to be a techie wizard to participate. Investing in Rio Tinto and other mining corporations is like getting a VIP seat at the major industrial performance. You might alternatively enter the world of mutual funds, where mining is currently the main attraction. Do you have an appetite for risk? Buckle up and enjoy the ride to the top, as futures and options are the crazy roller coasters of the investment universe. Now, hold on to your seats because we have one more left. But hey, before we dive into the next treasure trove of knowledge, if you're enjoying this journey as much as we are, give us a thumbs up to show your support. And don't forget to become a part of our Wealth Wizards crew by hitting that subscribe button. The road to financial stability is full of surprises, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Ready for the last one? Then let's keep going. Number 5. Safe haven currencies. And for the finale, we have safe haven currencies, keeping one's financial ship afloat in today's paper money world when no currency is tied to gold anymore takes more than a bit of luck. Finding a safe haven for your money is paramount. And where, honestly, do the wealthy keep their money? The Swiss banking systems, chumps. Switzerland is well known for more than just its delicious chocolate and breathtaking scenery. The country also has a robust economy. That's why the Swiss franc is often cited as a go-to haven currency. People are drawn to this money like moths to a flame when times of uncertainty arise. The Eurozone crisis of 2009 comes to mind. Swiss francs, in other words, became the superhero cape for individuals seeking to protect their wealth from currency fluctuations. In addition to all that, the Swiss franc is a major actor in the international financial system. Russia switched to the Swiss franc as a trading currency when the United States slapped sanctions on it during their energy dispute. What did you expect to happen? The demand for Swiss francs surged, putting the value of that currency through the roof, like some sort of overnight magic trick. 1 Swiss franc became 1.1074 US dollars. Let's be honest here, not everyone has the means to walk into a Swiss bank. Currency exchange traded funds, ETFs, and foreign exchange, Forex, brokers such as Forex.com help level the playing field for novice traders. You may get in on the action of foreign exchange and ride the crests of international trade with as little as $100. As we draw to a close on our pursuit of these 5 financial assets, make sure to invest in value stocks and mutual funds for consistent gains, land and real estate as a hedge against inflation, precious metals for security, industrial commodities for tangible effects, and safe haven currencies for peace of mind. You can use each of these in a different way to help you reach your financial goals. But for the time being, do you have any questions or thoughts in mind? Just leave them below in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, here at Wealth Wizards.